So the John Deere TECH program is a collaborative effort between the John Deere Corporation, John Deere dealers, the college, and then of course the students. So we are training the students to be technicians at the John Deere dealer. We teach everything from basics to engines, transmissions, hydraulics. We do electrical, hydraulic, air conditioning, service advisor certification for John Deere. We do the training and then the students take the test online. We have 2 hours of class and 2 hours of lab a day.
Right now we're just starting implements class. We are going to be working on planters, sprayers, balers a little bit, as well as talking about the equipment of technology, GPS, displays, and how it all integrates together.
Deere provides us with a lot of equipment, so right now we have around $3 million worth of new equipment here, a lot of technology.
So they try to keep us up to date and keep us learning on what's new and relevant and what people are actually using out in the field. The instructors all have a lot of experience under their belts. They're all very friendly.
They like to push you. So if you don't know nothing, they like you to take the extra 20 minutes instead of asking them for help.
They truly understand what goes on in a shop, not just what you use in a manual, or they know how to apply that knowledge and help you learn.
So the students come to us for a period of 2 years. During that period of 2 years, they have 2 3-month-long on-the-job training periods that they go out and work at the dealership. They are paid while they're working at the dealership. That gives them an opportunity to see what their career is like, and it also gives them some hands-on experience at the dealership level.
Just being here in general, it's kind of been my dream for the past couple of years, just to be in a shop working on John Deere equipment.
You know, I'm very blessed to have this opportunity. You know, from John Deere being a big program and them going out of their way and making sure that we have, you know, the top equipment, the new equipment, it makes me very grateful.